I need to think of a clickbaity title. Hi. I'm dying again. Anyways, when I'm recording this, it is the 9th of May and exam is on the 14th, which means that is less than 5 days away. Yeah. Ooh, and I have a written task due in about 30 hours. I haven't done that yet, like zero. I have no motivation to do my English work. I'm sorry. I don't know why. Why am I talking at all? This is weird. I have a dodgy wrist. Just hurts once in a while. The mise-en-scène in my room has changed. What else has been going on? Oh yeah, I went to Kota Tua about 2-3 weeks ago. What? Ini ada apa? Nggak mau masuk.
Itu bola-bola besi untuk memberati kaki tahanan.
Hey y'all, if anyone is here, can y'all answer me or like move some shit?
People think you're crazy.
Or like, you know, just say something, make a noise. Come on, where you at? Where you at? I knew it, motherfuckers. Yo, jadi ya setan itu nggak ada, guys. I'm not gonna upload that. I'm just gonna make this 1-minute video and I'm gonna do this every month. Probably no one's gonna watch that. No one's gonna watch this. I've been sick for the past week. My mom said it's due to sleep deprivation combined with nicotine consumption combined with excessive exercise, which is not true. None of them are true. Sorry, Mom. I don't even know why I'm doing that. I should be like working or studying or doing something important. Like if Christopher Thompson ever watches this video, just know that I don't know why I get bad grades in your class and I get excellent grades in other. Okay, that's it. I'll make like a meaningful video. Like an actual film, like another film with zero money. Okay. You know what? I'm actually gonna make a film in the summer. Okay, yeah. I will make a film this summer, like a short film, like a 5-minute film. Sorry. So yeah, in June or July, expect like a really good zero budget film to be posted on this channel. So don't forget to hit that bell. Don't hit that bell, I never upload. Who am I even talking to right now? Anyways, peace. Too sweet.